In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Replit to build a website. We'll walk through the quickest path to a working site using Replit's agent, a no-code AI-driven helper that sets up your file structure, handles basic backend logic, and creates an initial design from a simple description. The goal is to get you from idea to something you can see and tweak in minutes without touching code unless you want to. First, describe your vision. Open Replit and type a clear, plain language prompt that states what you want, like build a professional portfolio website with a contact form and a gallery. The more specific your description, the better the starting point. Mention the purpose of the site, the pages or sections you need, any features like a contact form or image grid, the style or color palette you prefer, and the tone of the content. You can also reference your target audience. Avoid pasting any sensitive information. You can add real copy later. Next, review the plan. Replit Agent will generate a mini project plan outlining the pages, components, styling approach, and any libraries it intends to use. Read it closely and make sure it matches your vision. Does it include the homepage, the gallery, and the contact form? Are the navigation and layout what you expect? If anything is missing or feels off, say so in natural language. You can ask for adjustments here so the foundations are right before moving forward. Once the site is built, iterate and refine. Use the chat to request precise changes. Try giving clear, testable instructions like change the main color to deep blue. Use a sans serif font for headings or add a blog section with a list of recent posts. Specifics help the agent act decisively, so share details like hex codes, spacing preferences, or the number of items to show. You can also ask it to replace placeholder text with your own copy or just images and layout spacing. Think of this as a conversation. Request a change, check the result, and keep going until it feels right. Finally, take advantage of the instant preview. A live preview pane updates automatically as the agent makes changes, so you can see your site evolve in real time. Interact with the navigation, submit the contact form with test data, and scroll through the gallery to confirm everything behaves as expected. If something doesn't look correct, point to it in the chat and describe what you want instead. That's it. With a clear prompt, a careful plan review, a few iterative tweaks, and the live preview, you'll have a polished website faster than ever.